Setting up a working TV in ArchViz projects can be time-consuming. You need to handle the screen material, media player, media source, material element index, and blueprint logic. So I created this TV blueprint to make the process much easier. First, check your TV mesh and find which material element belongs to the screen. In this example, the screen is element index 2. So I enter 2 here. Then I assign the cinematic material, the cinematic media player, and the cinematic media source. These 3 should be set for the same video, so everything works correctly together. After that, I assign the TV static mesh. Just make sure the screen UV is already prepared correctly. The TV can also be connected to a widget, so users can turn it on and off from the UI. For a more realistic result, I added internal startup and shutdown animations. These are already set inside the blueprint, so the user doesn't need to adjust them. Simple, clean, and reusable TV setup for ArchViz projects. This is one of the features included in my ArchViz Interactive Template.